Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Once again, we are back where at your own learning platform, Learn Forward with your Pitara book, English. So, today we have chapter number 2. आज हम कौन सा chapter करने वाले हैं? Chapter number 2, Sounds of Letters. क्या करने वाले हैं हम? Sounds of Letters. तो चलिए हमने जो साउंड्स करी हुई हैं पहले वाली क्लास में आज हम उनको एक बार रिवाइज करेंगे ओके So let's start. Page number 4, Sounds of Letter, chapter number 2. Write the sounds that these objects start with. हमें वो sounds लिखनी है जिनसे ये objects की starting होती है. What is this? Orange. तो orange जब हम बोल रहे हैं तो कौन सी sound आती है? O की. O. Orange. So here we write O. Here we write O. Take the pencil in your hand. Pencil लेंगे हम और यहाँ हम लिखेंगे O. Very good. Next we have apple. Next we have apple. So we write a, apple. Next we have car. Car means k. K ki sound C. K ki sound C. And if you know C and K are best friends. ये दोनों best friends हैं. Okay? क्योंकि इन दोनों की sound ही किससे start होती है? K. किससे start होती है? K. Here we have a kite. तो kite किससे spell होता है? K. K. Then we have B से ball. B. B. Then we have doll. D. D. Then we have goat. G. G. Very good. Then we have lamp. Very good. L. L. Then we have flag. F. Very good. Then we have rabbit. R. Very good. Then we have good. Monkey. M. Then we have D. T. Toy. Then we have toy. Toy है ना ये देखो. This is toy. Very good. Then we have H. Horse. Then we have very good. E. Elephant. A. Small mouth. Then we have P say parrot. P. Then we have watch. Very good. So let's repeat once again. Have you done? Okay. So let's repeat once again. O ki sound, orange ki sound, O. O. Sound of A, apple, A. A. C and K are friends. So car, kite. Then ball, B. Then we have D, doll. Then we have G, goat. Then we have L, lamp. Then we have F, flag. Then we have R, rabbit. Then we have M, monkey. Then we have T, toy. Then we have H, horse. Then we have E, elephant. Then we have P, parrot. Then we have W, watch. Very good. Let's move to the next. Okay, we have done with this chapter. अब हम next chapter में मिलेंगे. तब तक के लिए happy learning. Bye bye kids.